Hello students and families. The purpose of this video is to help explain how students can use the application Readworks to do class and homework. If you log into your computer, log into Clever, you will find the Readworks blue R icon on your Clever screen. And when you click on it, the first thing that it will display is a list of your classes. It's possible that you might have Readworks assigned by more than one teacher, and so you'll find the teacher that you'll be doing your work for and click on that teacher and it will come up with assignments to do. If you're not sure where your assignment is, you can always click on a teacher, go back. If it's not the right one, go back and try another. So in this case, we have an article on recycling and conservation, and when I click on it, it will open up a screen that shows me my passage to read and the questions that I'll be answering. So students should start first by scrolling down and reading the passage there so that they can understand how to answer the questions. When they go to questions, here they are. Some questions will be multiple choice. You might also have some short answer questions to complete as well. And if you would like to see the passage next to the questions there, this button here on the right will put the passage next to the questions, which can be really handy as you're answering. Now, as you answer your question, your teacher might ask you to highlight in the text where you found your answers. And so let me show you how to do that. So question number 1 says, what can recycled paper be made into? Well, as I read the article, I remember that right here, it tells me that recycled paper can be made into new paper, cardboard, insulation, and animal bedding, which happens to be what I see for answer A. So I could select that text by clicking and dragging with my mouse. So I just held down my mouse button and dragged over that text. And now you can highlight it any color. And it will keep that for your teacher to see. I'm going to choose answer A there because I found it right in the text to support my answer. So as I go down and I click and answer my questions, you see that I can go back also and change answers if I want. However, down at the bottom, when you get to the end, there's a submit button. Once you hit the submit button, you cannot go back and edit your answers. So make sure that you're sure that you have completely answered every question, that you are happy with your answers before you hit submit. If something happens and you hit submit when you did not mean to, I'm going to submit this anyway. You can't go back and change your questions, or your answers rather, but your teacher can reassign this at a later time so that you can correct your answers if you need to. But it's your teacher who has to do that for you. When you submit your answers, your teacher will go through and grade short answers, but you also can see results immediately. So you can go back through and review your results at a later time as well. I can return to my assignments also and go back and see what I might still have to work on. So I hope that this helps you understand how to use Readworks through your Clever application to complete assignments, classwork, and homework. Thanks for watching and have a great night.